Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to set Xbox game app as default app in Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To set Xbox game app as default app on Windows 11 computer, click on Start menu, click on Settings. Now click on apps and then click on installed apps. In search type Xbox. You will find Xbox app and you will find also a three dot icon. Click on it and then click on advanced options. Now scroll down. Look, defaults. Select which apps to use to listen to music, look at picture, check mails, watch videos and more. And here you will find an option set default apps. Click on it. Now select Xbox and now click on Xbox app and now click on set default. Now Xbox app is set as default app on your Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.